Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've come to take you through the introduction to PowerPoint presentation. So here, if you want to know where a PowerPoint presentation, how you can get it, you can get it in many forms. You can either come on this search bar, and then we also have it here, PowerPoint. You can tap it and it will automatically open. You see we have a blank presentation here. So this is a blank page of the PowerPoint presentation. Or else you can just go back and maybe you right click on your, if you right click to bring new, come on the folders, come here, you have Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You click on it, it will automatically have to open. So you can either name it anything and then you double tap, it will automatically have to open. So it will again be the same thing, but now as you see a blank presentation. But now for us, we shall just come and search for it here, and maybe go on PowerPoint presentation, so it will open. So if it opens, we shall go for a blank presentation, as you all see. So this is our worksheet. You all see. Remember one thing I've already told about it in my previous video. Here in PowerPoint presentation, we don't deal with long statements, they are only short statements. So I'll give you, for example, we have this one is like the heading. In case you want a slide, you just come here and you pick any type of slide you want. There is this one, title slide, title and content, section header, but for us we shall use this one, title and content. So you can come here and maybe you say, maybe you write anything, maybe environmental conservation, everything you want. So after there, you can see we have home, what. So as I already told you, if you want to go on the next slide, you just come and highlight here and you press slide, maybe you press enter, and another slide will automatically appear. So we have insert, as you can see, maybe here you can insert in the videos. In case you are online, maybe you can come here and you say maybe pictures, maybe online pictures, and you tap on them and then it will automatically bring pictures in case you need them. So you can search of any picture you want. So we have the shapes, each and everything. So you can come here even on the designs. See the designs we have. You can design a folder like that, maybe like this, any form you want. So it depends on you and what you want. So we have the transitions, we have this one which is morphing, we have the fade. So in case you have written something, it will show. For example, let me write here environment. So you can come and say maybe definition. So now when we try these ones, maybe wipe, you see, split, you see, rival. So we have very interesting things here in the PowerPoint presentation. And maybe you can come on the animations. Maybe if you want, you see they are not appearing, they are not showing. Even if you tap it can't open, but you must first highlight, like highlighting, you say maybe fly in, you see, maybe float, split. We have even others which you can, maybe you can zoom. So those are some of the effects effects we have. Then we have the slideshow here, and the slideshow you can come and maybe, I think I've already showed you some of the steps. Set up slideshow, you can maybe come and set the interval, the time. My previous video shows you everything, so I'll give you an example. So after doing your work, you can come here to file, maybe you come here to file, and maybe you save as, and you say to this PC, and maybe you save it the way you want. So but for me, I won't save it because there's something I want to show you guys. I'll give you an example of the presentation I made last time. Maybe come to my PC, this PC, you open in documents. I'll show you some of the example I made my presentation last time, but I didn't introduce the PowerPoint presentation. So you see, it's the introduction to computers presented by Singoma Triumph. See the next slide. So here, what I want to show you, the introduction, you can say maybe presented by, write your name, a student of this university, and maybe on the second side you can say summary on my presentation. So what you are going to present, you can either tell them about the definition, basic, everything, like what you are going to present. So that is the second slide. Is very important, should you take care of it. Then we have this one on the right, on the second slide. You see we started with definition. So on the side slide it will be a definition of what you are going to talk about. Maybe you are going to talk about a computer. Say a computer is an electronic device that receives data, processes it according to a set of instructions called a program, stores it, and produces results. So you come on the fourth slide, it's showing basic function of the computer. So you will have talked about it in the second slide, which is basic functions of the computer. So it is our fourth one. So you come and see it. So that's how I showed you how you can create the images. You bring the photos from online, you upload them here. So it has many interesting things. And maybe you can come even on here on the reviews, as I showed you already. You check out through things how you can modernize your PowerPoint presentation. So that's my introduction about PowerPoint presentation. Please subscribe, like, comment. I remain Singoma Triumph. God bless you all.